Every day, small businesses across the United States are hit by cyber attacks, and most owners never saw it coming. In this video, I'm breaking down the 5 biggest cyber threats facing small businesses in 2025, what they look like in real life, and what you can do to protect yourself. Let's get into it. We're going to cover 5 threats: phishing attacks, ransomware, weak passwords, and credential theft, insider threats, and unpatched software. These aren't hypothetical risks. Each one is actively targeting businesses your size, right now. Threat number 1, phishing. This is the #1 cause of data breaches worldwide, and it works by tricking your employees into clicking a malicious link or giving away their login credentials. The attacker doesn't break into your system. Your employee opens the door for them, and it doesn't take a sophisticated operation. A convincing fake email from your bank or your software vendor is enough. 91% of all cyber attacks begin with a phishing email. Threat number 2, ransomware. Ransomware is malicious software that locks all your files and demands payment to unlock them. We're not talking about a minor inconvenience. The average ransom demand in 2024 was over $800,000. For a small business, that's a death sentence. And even if you pay, there's no guarantee you'll get your data back. 60% of small businesses that suffer a ransomware attack close within 6 months. Threat number 3, weak passwords and credential theft. If your employee uses the same password for their work email, their personal Gmail, and your accounting software, you have a problem. When any one of those services gets breached, attackers run automated tools that try those credentials on hundreds of other platforms. It's called credential stuffing, and it's entirely automated. One reused password can give an attacker access to your entire business. Threat number 4, insider threats. This one makes business owners uncomfortable, but it's real. An insider threat is anyone inside your organization who causes a security incident, intentionally or not. A disgruntled employee who copies your client list before quitting. A well-meaning staff member who sends a file to the wrong person. Or an ex-employee whose account was never deactivated. Most firewalls and antivirus tools won't protect you from someone who already has access. Threat number 5, unpatched software. When a software company discovers a security vulnerability, they release a patch, an update that fixes the hole. The problem is that the moment they announce the vulnerability, attackers start scanning the internet for systems that haven't updated yet. The average window between a patch release and active exploitation is just 15 days. If you're running outdated versions of Windows, your accounting software, or your website plugins, you have known vulnerabilities that hackers are actively looking for. Here's a quick summary of all 5 threats and what stops each one. Notice something. None of these defenses require a huge budget or an IT team. They require awareness and simple policies. That's exactly what we cover on this channel. If you want to protect your business from all 5 of these threats, we've built a free resource specifically for small business owners. The SMB Cybersecurity Framework. It covers each of these threats with practical, step-by-step guidance. No technical background required. You can download it for free at smbsecurityadvisors.com/framework. No email required, no registration. If this was useful, subscribe to the channel. We publish new cybersecurity guides for small business owners every week, all free, no jargon. Next video. Your first 5 practical steps to protect your business today, even if you have 0 IT staff. I'll see you there.